Unlock explosive growth for your Shopify dropshipping business by mastering AI-powered user-generated content ads. First, let's supercharge your product selection. Instead of guessing what sells, use AI tools to analyze trending products and market demand within your niche. Tools like Google Trends combined with AI-powered product research platforms can reveal high-potential items with built-in consumer interest, saving you time and reducing risk. Next, we'll craft compelling UGC style ad creatives. Upload your product images and customer photos into AI-powered design tools. They can instantly generate eye-catching lifestyle shots, short video clips, or animated graphics that mimic genuine user content, all optimized for social media appeal. Now, let's talk targeting. AI can analyze vast amounts of user data to identify your ideal customer. Upload your existing customer data or let the AI scout platforms like Facebook and Instagram for users with similar behaviors, interests, and demographics to your most valuable customers, ensuring your ads reach the right eyes. Content is king. Leverage AI copywriting assistants to generate persuasive ad copy that resonates with your target audience. Experiment with different angles, benefit-driven language, and strong calls to action. AI can help you test variations rapidly, discovering what truly drives clicks and conversions. Finally, let's automate optimization. Once your AI-created UGC ads are live, utilize AI-powered advertising platforms to continuously monitor performance. These tools can automatically adjust your bidding strategies, audience targeting, and creative allocation in real time, ensuring your ad spend is always working for maximum return. By integrating AI into your UGC ad strategy, you're not just creating ads. You're building a sophisticated, data-driven system that consistently drives conversions and scales your Shopify dropshipping empire.